Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Akkad Bakkad Kids. Today we'll learn various kinds of birds. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Bulbul, B-U-L-B-U-L, bulbul. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Heron, H-E-R-O-N, heron. Hummingbird, H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. Kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Myna, M-Y-N-A, myna. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-A-O-N, pigeon. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching Akkad Bakkad Kids. If you have liked this video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care.